If you're trying to grow your business or career, I have bad news. You're doing too much. You think the secret is saying yes to every opportunity, every client, every side project. Wrong. That is the fastest way to stay small. The true secret to explosive, disproportionate growth is found in the single most powerful word you can say: no. Think about it. You're spinning plates, you're good at 10 things, but you're only great at one. And that one thing is drowning in the noise of the other nine. Today, I'm going to show you the simple framework to identify that one thing you must cut out immediately, the low value activity that is sabotaging your high impact work. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to reclaim 10 hours a week and pour all that energy into the one activity that generates 80% of your results. It comes down to a concept called disproportionate effort filter. We start with the trap of the good idea. The real enemy of growth is not the bad idea, it's the good idea. A bad idea is easy to say no to. A good idea sounds smart, it's low risk, and it gives you a tiny hit of progress. But it also consumes 10% of your energy for a 1% return. That's the definition of busy work. For the entrepreneur, the good idea is often an attempt to diversify too early, or it's an over reliance on a tool that doesn't actually move the needle, or it's a fear of letting go of an outdated business model. If you feel stuck, it's because your schedule is optimized for maintenance, not for momentum. It's time for the filter. This is the disproportionate effort filter. To use it, you must run every single one of your tasks through three brutal questions. If the answer is no to any one of these, you have your one thing to cut. The first filter is, does this require my unique superpower? If someone else can do it 80% as well as you can, you must delegate it, outsource it, or kill it. Your job is to focus on what only you can do. The second filter is, does this directly generate revenue or save massive time? Anything that is nice to have but doesn't fill your sales pipeline or dramatically free up your time, it's gone. No exceptions. Will this matter in 1 year? If this task is simply filling a short-term gap but doesn't contribute to the 12th-month vision, it's a distraction. Focus on legacy, not just today's to-do list. This must be your filter number 3. Saying no is not about closing doors. It's about opening the only door that leads to where you want to go. When you cut that one low value thing, you don't just free up time, you free up mental bandwidth. You free up your greatness. I want you to leave a comment right now. What is the one good idea, the one low return task, the one thing you are finally going to say no to this week? Write it down and commit yourself. Focus is not what you do. Focus is what you eliminate. Now go apply the filter. I'll see you in the next video.